I want to demonstrate the if it skitters, wait, if it sizzles aspect of Argentium. So here is a small piece of Argentium silver that I have just annealed, and it is still very hot. So once you have soldered, annealed, or fused Argentium, if you drop water droplets on there and they skitter across the surface, it's too hot. So I teach all of my students, if it skitters, wait. But if it sizzles, quench. This one is still too hot, so we're going to wait patiently. Now, it doesn't benefit you to keep dropping water on there while you're waiting. It could even crack if you put too much water on there. It would be the same as quenching it. So we're going to be patient and we're going to wait. It sizzles. Now you can safely pick up your Argentium silver and quench.